Hi again, everybody. Joe here with Tim Wallace Soil Mix Supply and the Soil Channel. Are you sick and tired of your lawn looking sick and tired? Bare spots, thin spots, grass isn't probably as green as you'd like it to be. Maybe it's even a little uneven and bumpy. And despite your best efforts, it simply has not responded. Well, if that's your situation, I have a fix for that. Something you're probably not doing, but something you should be doing. So in this quick video, I'll give you the why, the hows, and the do's and the don'ts of something called top dressing. And it's a way to greener, thicker, and a healthier lawn that you're going to love and your neighbors will wish that they had. So let's get into this. Since we're talking about lawn leveling and overseeding, you'll hear this term come up a lot, top dressing. It is both a noun and a verb. The noun part of it is the top dressing is the material you use to put on top of your lawn. The process of putting that material down is called top dressing. So you use top dressing mix to top dress your lawn. And generally when you're top dressing your lawn, you're trying to get it level. And if you want to, you can provide a media to plant grass seed. You simply spread a thin layer of your top dressing mix, things like soil, sand, and organic matter over your lawn. And that helps to do these four critical things. Top dressing will improve the existing soil structure. I mean, you provide fertilizer for your grass. When was the last time you thought about actually feeding your soil? At some point between 3 and maybe 7 years, your lawn has become depleted of nutrients. Adding a top dressing material starts to replenish those vital nutrients your lawn so desperately needs. And are you tired of trying to mow a roller coaster? Top dressing can help smooth out those lumps and give you a nice level lawn. And if you're planning on fixing that thin lawn by overseeding, you need that top dressing because you need a media for that grass seed to germinate and grow healthy, strong, and green. The process of top dressing is done in these 5 easy steps. Mow your lawn short, usually between 1 and 1.5 inches tall. Be certain that you either aerate or dethatch your lawn before you put down your top dressing mix. Then go ahead and spread your top dressing evenly over the entire lawn. Overseed, and then make sure you water and keep your lawn moist. So here's a few do's and don'ts to make sure you have a successful top dressing project. One big do when it comes to top dressing is, before you start the top dressing process, get control of all those weeds. Be certain that you're using a quality, screened top dressing mix. Apply your product evenly throughout the entire yard. Don't put it down too deeply because you don't want to choke out the existing grass. You should see blades of grass popping up through your top dressing mix when you're done. And timing plays a critical role in successful top dressing. In the spring, think Mother's Day to Father's Day. And in the fall, top dress between Labor Day to Columbus Day. And for the best possible result, make sure that you pair your lawn top dressing with a good overseeding product. And when it comes to the don'ts of top dressing, don't bury your grass. Remember, you should still see blades of grass coming up through your top dressing. Put it on too deep and all that grass is going to do nothing but die. And do not use poor soil, clay soil, or fill dirt. Make sure you're using screened, pulverized, and kept dry topsoil, also known as black dirt. And do not skip the preparation stage, the things like mowing, dethatching, or aeration. Those are critical to a successful top dressing project. And don't top dress an overly dry or heat-stressed lawn. Keep within those time frames we just talked about, and your top dressing project will go not only smoothly, but give you great results. One of the questions Tim and I often get when it comes to top dressing is, how does that stuff work its magic? Well, there's a very specific scientific answer for that question, but you've heard the saying, a picture is worth 1,000 words. The other day while I was on Facebook, I came across a group called Gardening Success Tips. And they posted an infographic that tells you all about the magic of what happens when you top dress your lawn underneath the soil that is not visible to the human eye. 1/2 to 1 inch of top dressing with a compost component spread on top of a struggling lawn triggers a 30-day biological cascade that no fertilizer bag can replicate. That's because fertilizer feeds the plants, your grass, while compost feeds the soil and the organisms that build the system your lawn depends on. On day number 1, nothing visible changes, except your lawn looks like a dirty mess. By day 7, earthworms from the subsoil detect the organic matter and begin migrating upward. On day 14, fungal threads from this new top dressing compost layer extend downward into the tired soil, creating the first nutrient transport channels. By day 21, bacterial populations have doubled, and the soil beneath the top dressing is measurably darker, softer, and will hold water much longer. By day 30, the soil and the top dressing layer are no longer distinguishable. They've merged. You didn't so much fix the soil. By top dressing, you restarted the soil's biology. The process of top dressing your lawn does take a little bit more physical effort and some pre-planning in order to get it right, but it's a great way and a proven way to get a healthier, thicker, and greener lawn. If you want to take a little bit more of a deep dive into everything related to lawn renovation, things like leveling, overseeding, and lawn repair, check out our lawn renovations playlist here on the Soil channel. And before you leave, be sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to stay current with all of our future Soil channel videos. On behalf of Tim Wallace Soil Mix Supply, and the Soil channel, I'm Joe. Thanks again for watching. Now grow and make it a great day.